Ever wondered how to turn nothing into $2,000 in just 24 hours with TikTok Shop? Today, we're diving into the world of building a dropshipping business from scratch with the potential of earning big in a day. Are you up for the challenge? Stick around and you'll find out. First, understand the power of TikTok Shop. This platform is a game changer in the e-commerce landscape, offering an unparalleled opportunity for dropshipping businesses. With its power to reach millions of users within seconds, it opens doors for rapid growth and profitability. Imagine it, a global audience at your fingertips, ready to discover and purchase your products. The potential is enormous and it's right there waiting for you to seize it. Now that you understand why TikTok Shop is a goldmine, let's dive into the steps to tap into it. Here's how you can make $2,000 in 24 hours with TikTok Shop. First step, get your shop up and running. It's as simple as signing up on TikTok and activating the Shop tab on your profile. Next, product selection is key. Opt for trendy, affordable items that resonate with the TikTok demographic. Remember, quick impulse buys are your best friend here. After that, it's all about promotion. Use eye-catching short videos to showcase your products. Engage with comments, share user-generated content, and don't shy away from TikTok's ad platform. Finally, manage your orders efficiently. Quick responses and fast shipping will keep your customers satisfied and coming back for more. One last thing, always keep an eye on your analytics. TikTok provides detailed insights that can help you optimize your strategy and boost your sales. Before we wrap up, if you're finding value in this video, hit the like button. We're almost at the end, but I have something exciting to share. Please subscribe and share this video. Let's reach 10,000 subscribers together. There's a giveaway coming when we hit that milestone. Remember to watch the next video on your screen. YouTube says it's the best video to watch next to start making money fast in 2024. Here's to your success.